Most people get this wrong when starting a company in the Cayman Islands. They think it's some secret loophole only billionaires and giant corporations can use. But here's the truth no one tells you. Setting up a Cayman Islands company in 2026 is actually straightforward if you follow the right steps and understand the legal requirements. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start a company in the Cayman Islands step by step. What documents you need, how much it can cost, and the biggest mistakes that can delay approval. Let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to know is that most foreign entrepreneurs choose an exempted company structure. This type of company is popular because it's designed for international business and offers tax advantages under Cayman law.me. But here's the problem. You cannot directly register the company yourself like you would in some US states. Cayman Islands law requires you to work with a licensed local registered office provider. For example, if Alex wants to launch an online software business, he first contacts a Cayman corporate services firm. That firm handles the registration paperwork and acts as the company's registered office. Now here's where it gets interesting. The approval process is often faster than people expect. Step 1 is choosing your company name. The name must be unique and approved by the Cayman Islands registrar. Step 2 is preparing your due diligence documents. This usually includes a passport copy, proof of address, and information about the business activity and ownership structure. This is where most people fail. They submit incomplete identity documents or unclear business descriptions, which delays approval. Step 3 is filing the memorandum and articles of association through your registered office provider. Next comes the government registration, fee, and service provider costs. Fees vary depending on share structure and the provider you use, but many small businesses spend a few $1,000s total for setup and first-year maintenance. But don't confuse Cayman Incorporation with automatic banking access. In a minute, I'll explain the part that surprises most new business owners. Opening a corporate bank account is often the hardest step. Banks now require strict compliance checks, proof of business activity, and detailed source of funds information. For example, Jake formed his company quickly, but waited months to open a bank account because he wasn't prepared with financial documents. Another important point is compliance. Cayman companies still need annual government fees and proper record keeping, even though the jurisdiction is known for low taxes. Now here's the biggest takeaway. Starting a Cayman Islands company in 2026 is legal and practical for international business owners, but only if you use licensed professionals and stay compliant. Choose the right structure, prepare strong documentation, and plan your banking setup early. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more international business guides, and comment below with the next country you want covered.